Hey guys, I'm Natasha Denona, and in this video I want to show you how I am going to create a pink eyeshadow look using only the pink eyeshadows from my limited edition CIRCO LOCO eyeshadow palette. I'm starting off with Joker, pressing it into the outer corner of the crease and blending it softly inside. Continuing with the smaller brush to define the outer corner of the lower lash line. Next, with cotton candy, I want to diffuse the harsh lines and dragging this pigment more inwards inside of the crease. And also with another brush, a flat blending brush, I want to soften also the lower lash line. And then I'm picking up RAZZLE DAZZLE, which is a bright fuchsia with sparkles packed with crystals. For this I'm using a dense damp eyeshadow brush and stamping this softly onto the center lid, continuing inwards into the inner corner. And then with cotton candy, again connecting both corners of the lower lash line. For the lips I'm going to use a cool neutral tone, because I don't want to compete with the fuchsia eyes. So I'm outlining the lips with the I Need a Nude Lip Crayon in NB3 Dana, and following to coat the lips with the I Need a Nude lipstick in 1B Charlotte.